Hello everyone! Today we're working on warm-up exercises with skating skills for beginner level skaters. And we're going to start with 2 feet slalom just to get you warm up, wake up and going. Bend your ankles, bend your knees, try to make quick deep circles going forward first and then backward. Keep your feet together and arms out to the side. Don't move your upper body, keep it straight and just work those circles with your feet and hips. This will warm up your low body and help to control your edges. Now let's squat. Get as low as you can in a squat position and move forward with quick timing. After that, do same moving backward. This exercise is great for building strength and control, and it's also a lot of fun for young skaters. I often use this exercise to prepare my students for seat spins and work on their edges. Moving on to side lunges. We're going to bend, lean, and twist. I actually came up with this fun explanation of these 3 most important things in skating, like BLT sandwich. Bend for B, lean for L, and twist for T. This way, my skaters remember that right away. Lunge to the side, leaning your upper body into the circle. Raise one arm up and lower the other, looking toward your low arm. Then do the same backward. This exercise helps you work on body alignment, lean, and twist. Perfect for getting comfortable on your edges. Now, some swizzles. Move your arms from second position into preparation, first, third, and back into second. You're going to do 2 swizzles and 1 circle with arms. Then we're going to repeat same backward. Make sure you work your knees and ankles and push hard against the ice. First, we did not include arms just to work with knees and ankles more, and then we try incorporate arms. Now, of course, we're going to go over edges. Start with forward outside edges, keeping your free leg close to your skating leg. Bend your ankles and knees to press into the edge. Keep same arm as your skating leg in front of you and press down after each push. Next, we're going to do inside edges. Again, working on a smaller circle to really deepen your edges. For more edge work videos, click on the link above or look in the description below. And if you're enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and information. Now we're going to do backward edges. We'll start with backward outside. After each push, bend your knee and ankle and rotate your upper body outside of circle, still keeping your free leg closer to your skating leg. Feel that pressure into the ice every time when you push. Moving on to inside edges, which a little harder for beginners. Try to, again, bend and press as much as you can, and then twist your upper body outside of circle and draw deep inside edges with your feet and hips. You can find more videos for crossovers if you click on the link above or check description below. Remember, this is beginner skaters. You don't expect perfection right away when you start skating. You just have to keep focusing on extension, power push, bending your ankles, and holding your arms stretched to the side. Keep watching my videos and practice every day on your skills. Now we're going backward with 1 foot glide between on backward outside edge. So you're doing backward crossover into backward outside edge. Keep your free leg extend, turn out, and point. After crossovers, we're moving on to power 3 turns. I love this exercise. You work on 3 turn, you work on power pushes, and you work on crossovers at the same time. Remember to turn at the top of the circle and smoothly transition onto your inside edge before you start your backward crossover. We're going to do this from left foot first and then repeat from the right foot. I have a great video with detailed explanations, step-by-step tutorial how to do power 3 turns if you click on the link above or look in the description below. Next, we are going to work on cross rolls. As you move forward, focus on rolling from one outside edge to the another, keeping your ankles and knees engaged. When switching legs, keep your feet close together and push all the way through the edge. Now repeat going backward, focusing on rolling through the outside edge while keeping your free leg close to your skating leg during the push. Remember to extend through the push and maintain strong posture. Cross rolls are a great exercise for edge control, coordination, power, speed, balance, and stability. Also flow and rhythm. Lastly, we'll practice Mohawks and crossovers. Start with inside 3-step Mohawk, step into forward crossover, and then do same with other leg. So we're going to do a left foot inside Mohawk, and then step forward, continue on the same circle with crossover, and then repeat from right foot on other circle. Now we're going to do backward crossovers with outside 3-step Mohawk. You're going to do 1 or 2 crossovers around circle, and then 3-step Mohawk between circles on the axis to switch your direction. That's all for today for our beginner skating skills warm-up exercises. These exercises will help you develop control, balance, and strength on the ice. Keep practicing and you will see great progress in no time. See you in the next video.